Hello and welcome back to 99 Math. So in today's video, we are going to go ahead and take a look at our class world, and we're going to go ahead and add some decorations. Before that, though, we are going to look at the integers and just see how the integer difficulty progresses. So we're going to come on over here. There are 20 different stages covering integers, a bunch of other higher math as well, percents, exponents, number sequences, decimals, mixed, and so let's go ahead and start off here, though, with the first one. I already did the accuracy. It was pretty good. Going to do the speed this time. And so we have to do solve as fast as you can. Let's see what we are doing. So this is going to be -4 is the question mark area. This is -2. So this is really just kind of establishing if you can work in a negative number line and really understand the progression of the negative numbers as this goes on. So it's a nice sort of warm up stage for integers, and I think it does a really good job of making it gamified. So we've solved 11. Oh, and that was it. Cool. We did 11. It was considered excellent. Excellent hopefully is 3 stars, and it is fantastic. All right, we're going to take a look at maybe 1 or 2 other stages just to really understand how this is working. We might actually make it up to 10 with our next one, depending on how many stars we get. Let's go ahead and get some more stars. This is level 2 for accuracy. And so this is going to be -7. Oh, geez, what am I doing? Okay, luckily it's accuracy. Okay, so now we're getting high numbers, -54, -42. And this is just really going over all of the same stuff here. -39, -6, -59, and there we go. So that was it for that. As far as the accuracy, I should be able to go ahead and, or as far as the speed, I should be able to do well with that. 99 Math tests your accuracy and then also your speed, and here we go. We are going to be getting a, oh, so close. Let's do one more here just to see if there is a progression in difficulty now. So this is going to be up to the hundreds, 307. Now, as far as speed, what becomes difficult is not only seeing the answer, because the box is so small, but making sure that you are typing fast enough to go ahead and get the amount that you need for this. So it's progressing pretty well. All right, and there we go. So here we are, a few more stars, which is awesome. We might come back right at the end and do one more level of this. I'm enjoying this. This game had volume. I'm not really sure what is going on with the volume. So did we? Oh, so close to 10. That's going to be 150 bucks. So let's go ahead and add to our farm. And so we're going to build the farm. And it's 10 seconds for it to build. Then we'll take a look and see what it looks like here after this. And then I think the next level, let's show it off. And there we go. We have our farm right here. Our world is expanding. And so I am on 115 M-Bucks for the class level, which is awesome. Let's see. Our next thing is going to be the village, which is 13 stars. I have 251, so I have plenty of them. Let's build it. And 10 more. Oh, it's just 10 seconds each time. That's pretty cool. So we might be able to finish this map. Let's see. In your own world that you build, it does, some of them take, I think it's like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. Maybe even longer. That's cool. Love how this map expands here. And so you can see you can progress through the leaderboard with different class levels and all of that. Let's see what our next one is. 28 stars for this one. And so let's go ahead and click build here. Another 10 seconds. So my M-Bucks are at 903. Let's see where they are after this build here. Let's show it off. Awesome, awesome. So yeah, 1048. So we are getting them instantaneously when we build, which is great. We'll have to swing over to the shop probably next time we're on here, I feel. And then we're going to build the town hall. and only 10 seconds for that as well. So there's a lot of different ways to interact with this game. This game has a game show mode too, which I'm probably going to be trying to show off some time. And there we go. There's a dragon in this. Of course there is. What small town is not complete without a dragon? 160 there. So world is completed. We have total stars for me, total class stars. Let's go ahead and click OK here. And then the castle is going to be the next area, next level. So I think maybe next time we cover this, we'll go ahead and show off the castle and what the castle looks like and that whole progression. But let's go ahead and swing on in and just go over. It's been a while since we've been in game. So we have integers, we have percent, exponents, number sequences, and mixed decimals. We have decimal, multiplication and division, decimal number sense, decimal conversions, fractions adding and subtracting, decimals, addition and subtraction, mixed operations, equations, geometry, units of measurement, I believe that says, rounding, money, time, greater than, less than, division, number patterns, comparing and ordering. Just so many different things to do in here and so many different things covered in this game. It's really, really wonderful. Let's go ahead and take one more look at this. I'm pretty sure that these integers are going to get relatively challenging here. This is negative 93. And we're skip counting now, so that's going to be negative 14. Those are evens, negative 44, and then negative 10 for this. So you have to identify the pattern now. Negative 74, this is going to be negative 24 here. And then this is going to be negative 96. And there, oh, it looks like I got the first one wrong. Wah, wah, wah. Is that only 2 stars, or are you going to give me the last star? Nope, 86%. All right, I'll have to come back and do this one again. They tricked me. They tricked me. Is that enough to get over here? Oh, it's not. Let's see if we can go ahead and get that the next level. Let's play again. And then we're just going to hop on over to 5. And so this is by 10, so negative 60, negative 50, negative 70. This is negative 100 here. Negative 90 is right over here. This is negative 60. There we go. Negative 60 again. And there we are. So cruising through these, which is awesome. There we go. And let's continue on. I feel like all of these I will be able to do with the speed component. But we will have to see. Okay, this is 6. And so negative 9 is less than 1. 9 is greater than negative 10. 8 is greater than negative 9. Negative 6 is less than 10. Negative 4 is less than 6. Negative 3 is less than 10. Negative 6 is less than 0. Cool, so we're starting to get a little tricky here. All right, I think we're going to do one more, just one more, and see if the numbers start to expand as far as integers. And we can claim our 150 M-Bucks, which is awesome. Our next reward is going to be a mystery pet. That is exciting. So we'll have to wait for the mystery pet and try to get them next time. All right, one more level, and this is 7. All right, so negative 15 is less than 56. 67 is greater than 56. The 55 is the same. That's greater than. That's greater than. That's less than. That's greater than. And there we go. Cool. So yeah, it's starting to get a little tricky with the addition of the 6% to the mystery pet. With the addition of that stuff. So be sure to check out 99 Math. I don't know if I will be doing lives ever for this game, but there is a game mode, which looks extremely fun. So I'll take a look and see if I can figure out how to get that set up and how to run a live with it. And be sure to subscribe. The likes are going to be what I'm focusing on when I plan lives and other interactive things that we can do as a community. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. We'll be back here with more 99 Math very, very soon. Have a good one, all. Take care. Bye-bye.